Today, I want to talk about something very important. So, how to overcome the fear of speaking English. See, I know how it feels. I was scared in the beginning. My heart used to beat fast whenever I speak with someone. I was afraid. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? But now you can see I'm speaking with you. So, how did I do it? Let me share some simple tips with you that's helped me a lot. Step number 1, start small. Means you just start when you start learning English. So, you just start speak with the simple and small sentences. For example, this is a water bottle. It's full of water. See how easy it is. So you also try this type of sentences. You can make it and speak. So it's easy for you. When you speak, so speak slowly and clearly. Step number 2, don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers do. So don't worry, mistakes are part of a learning. So smile and learn with them. Okay. Step number 3, practice every day. This is most important part in our learning journey, because if you practice for at least 1 minute every day, trust me, it will give you a big result. So my dear friend, practice with yourself. You can practice front of a mirror. Talk about yourself in the mirror. Uh, for example, I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I am watching a video. Right now, I am making a video. See, so it's very simple and easy way. And you just speak all about all these things which is surrounding you. So describe that things would you want to describe. So you just describe all these things which is surrounding you. And trust me, when you practice every day, so it gives you a confidence. So practice regularly. So step number 4, talk to friendly people. Speak with the people who support you. It can be your friends, it can be your child, it can be your phone, camera. So use it. You just record your voice and listen to it. You will see your improvement. Step number 5, believe in yourself. And this is really most important part, because if you are not believing in yourself, so how can you speak and how can you be able to speak with anybody? So my dear friend, first of all, you have to believe in yourself. So you just say this to yourself. First, I am able to speak English. I understand English. Okay, I can understand easily, and I am able to speak with this language. And I am learning and improving day by day. I am not perfect, but I am trying. So these are the things which you have to speak with yourself. And trust me, if you learn all the grammar rules, you know about all these things, you know how to make sentences, you know how to all the vocabulary, you know very well, but you can't speak. Why? Because you don't believe in yourself. So first of all, believe in yourself. Whatever you do, whatever you have to learn, so you believe in yourself and speak out loud. Whatever it's happened. If you are making mistakes, go ahead. Speak, just speak, no matter what you are thinking about other people and what they think about yourself and what they think about you. It doesn't matter. You just start speaking, whatever comes in your mind. So, my dear friend, these are the things and these are the steps you must follow, and really, it's very beneficial for me and it's a boost your confidence. So, try this, and yes, don't let fear to stop you. And one more thing, fluency comes with practice, not with fear. So remember this thing. Okay, so if you like this video, so give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to more. Thank you for watching.